This is a KP-2234 Jmary Professional Tripod that comes with a smartphone holder. It has a square quick release plate that can be taken off the tripod head using the lock lever on the left. Pushing the lock lever upwards, you can easily take out the plate as shown. If you turn the plate upside down, it has a screw that has a latch on it. When you pull out this latch, you'll be able to attach the smartphone holder. Using this latch, tighten the screw clockwise onto the smartphone holder. Now that it's snug and tight, do not forget to put back the latch into a flat position. To put it back onto the platform, push the lock lever upwards and slot the plate back into position. All is good, and your smartphone holder is onto your tripod head. Now, if you're like me, I would like to put my phone onto the smartphone holder away from the tripod head. I find it easy. Now that you have a panning effect in your videos using this tripod, unscrew the lock nut on your left as shown here in an anti-clockwise direction, and using the pan handle, move the tripod head left to right in a horizontal plane. Using this lock nut, you can extend the tripod upwards with the crank handle by turning it clockwise, and the reverse brings it back down. Please do not forget to tighten the lock nut when the desired height has been reached. For upward or downward tilt of the tripod head, twist the pan handle anti-clockwise and lift. When you have reached your desired angle, twist the pan handle clockwise to lock the tripod head into position. The square quick release plate can also be moved to a 90-degree angle perpendicular to the tripod head. This is particularly useful when you're trying to shoot at different angles. The mobile phone holder also has a second screw as shown here that you can attach onto the square quick release plate as previously shown. Pull the latch screw upwards, twist clockwise. Do not forget to place the latch back flat. Place it onto the tripod head, and there you have it. For height extension of the tripod, flip the locking levers as shown. This tripod has a maximum height of 140 centimeters, a minimum height of 47 centimeters, and a folded height of 50 centimeters. It also has a built-in bubble level to help you see if your camera or phone are balanced. If you have gotten this far in the video, I hope this video helps you to use your tripod carefully and better. Thank you for watching.